Good afternoon everyone. We are going to start this video with question number 4 till question number 3. I have left. I've already sent you the video. Question number 4 is the winter vacation of a school starts on 24th December and lasts for 18 days. So on which date will the school reopen? There is a hint given. Include the date on which the vacation begins. So as you can see, the vacation begins on 24 days and time duration is 18 days. So we have to see on which day school reopens. So question number 4 is vacation beginning date. You have to write the statement in this questions. So it will be 24 December. Then vacation duration is 18 days. 24 to 31st December is 8 days. 1 January to 10 January is 10 days. Total 18 days. So till 10 January they will have holidays. On 11th January the school will reopen. So 11 January will be the answer. Like this you can count. Okay. Question number 5 is Murli's parents prepare dinner for the family. Murli's dad takes 10 minutes to knead the dough and his mom takes another 25 minutes to make chapatis. They cook vegetable and rice in next 45 minutes. If they begin at 19:55, means they started their preparing for the dinner at 19:55. At what time will the dinner be ready? So you have to write all the timings that is given to you in statements. Time taken to knead the dough is 10 minutes. Time taken to make chapati is 25 minutes. Time taken to cook vegetable is equals to 45 minutes. Time to begin the dinner is 19:55. Means to prepare the dinner. Beginning of preparing the dinner is 19:55 hours. So 19:55 hours, if you are going to add 10 minutes, it will be 25 hours. 20:05 hours. 25 minutes if we are going to add in it will be 20:25 hours. Sorry, 20:30 hours. Then 20:30 hours plus 45 will be 21:15 hours. So the dinner will be ready by 21:15 hours. Okay, like this you can add one by one. Your answer will be correct. Now question number 6 is Ali is traveling from New Delhi to Ambala by car. He reaches Murthal in 45 minutes and spends 30 minutes on lunch. From Murthal it takes him 2 hours 30 minutes to reach Ambala. He reaches Ambala at 2:15 p.m. So now reaching time is given to you and in between time is given to you. At what time did he start from New Delhi? So trip starting time we have to tell. Time to reach Ambala is 2:15 p.m. He started from, suppose he has reached Ambala at 2:15. So, from Murthal to Ambala, they have taken 2 hours 30 minutes. So, when you are going back and he has taken lunch 30 minutes, then going back 45 minutes, Delhi to Murthal, it has taken 45 minutes. So, 2:15, if we are going back 2 hours 30 minutes, it will be 11:45 a.m. 11:45 a.m. to minus 30 minutes will be Murthal, जहाँ पे हमने लंच किया. मीन्स 11:15 ही विल बी इन मुरथल. 11:15 45 minutes back again. What will happen? You will reach Delhi at 10:30 a.m. So 10:30 a.m. So Ali will begin his journey from 10:80 a.m. 10:80 a.m. पे 10:30 a.m. he must have started his journey. Okay everyone. Now question number 7 is we have school for 8 hours every day. And the girl said that how come? I think it is 7 hours. We have school for 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. So this is the timing given for school. 8 to 12 is 4 hours. 8 to 12 noon is 4 hours. 12 to 12 noon. 12 noon. 12 noon to 3 is 3 hours. Okay, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 3 hours. So total will be 7 hours. So it means girl is correct. So girl is correct here. Find out who is correct. Now Pratik is going on a trip from 1st October to 15 October. It means 15 days. Priya is going on a trip on 3rd October. Her trip will last for 2 weeks. So 1 week is equals to 7 days and 2 weeks is equals to 2 weeks is equals to 14 days. So total time is 14 days. Here it was 15 days. Whose trip is longer and by how much? So it means that Pratik trip is longer by 1 day because Pratik is having 15 days trip and and starting date of Pratik is 1 October and ending day of Pratik is 15 October. 1 October to 15 October, 15 days. 15 days for Pratik trip. Starting date of Priya's trip is 3 October. 2 weeks is equals to 14 days. 3 October to 2 weeks, it will be 16 October. So it means Pratik trip is longer by 1 day. 1 day it will be longer. Now question number 9 is, look at the calendar and answer the question. Calculate the number of days between 13, 7, 18 to 2, 10, 18. So if you are going to start counting from 13, 7 here and 2, 10 here. So if you are going to count 1, 2, 3, you have to count in between days. आपको बीच के दिन काउंट करने हैं. So it will be 80 days. Now calculate the number of weeks between 13, 7, 18 to 2, 10, 18 excluding the weeks in which the given date lie. So आपको डेट लाई नहीं करनी, जिसके अंदर डेट्स हैं वो वीक्स को हटा के आपको वीक्स काउंट करने हैं. सो 1 वीक, 2 वीक, 3rd वीक, 4th वीक, 5th वीक, 6th वीक, 7th वीक, 8th week, 9th week, 10th week, 11th week. So that will be 11 weeks because ये dates जिसमें lie करती है वो weeks that we need not to count. Shri Prasad is a metro train operator with the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. His schedule for the morning shift is shown below. So this is the schedule. At the schedule, answer the question that follows. Jahangirpuri 8:42 hours departure time. Arrival time at Huda City Center. If it will leave Jahangirpuri at 8:42 hours, it will reach Huda City Center at 9:57 hours. Here's Huda City Center. It will leave 11:12 hours and Jahangirpuri it will reach 12:27 hours. Metro timing is given to you. So he has asked, show the time of departure from Jahangirpuri. So departure time from Jahangirpuri is 8:42 hours. So we have to show this time. It will be 8:42 hours. Okay. Then you have to tell the time. Arrival, the time show karna hai. Huda City Center station on clock shown below. So this is departure time. So as you can see, it will be 8:42. 8. It will be the hour hand will be between 8 and 9. And 42 means 40, 41, 42. So minute hand will be at 42. Okay. And the arrival time of Huda City Center is 9:57 hours. So here we are going to write 9:57 hours. So the hour hand will be in between 9 and 10. And this hand will be at 7. So it will be 55, 56, 57. So this will be here 57. Okay, Shri Prasad has a breakfast at Huda City Center station every day if he starts eating at 10:50. So 10:50 am he starts eating his breakfast. He finishes in 20 minutes. So 10:50 plus 20 minutes is 11:10 am. Will he be able to start the return trip on the time? He will finish the breakfast at 11:10 am. And your arrival time at Huda City Center departure time is 11:12 hours. So can he go to the trip? Yes, he can go because he is going to finish his dinner at 11:10. So he can start the return trip on time. Time पे start कर सकता है. Now Riya is traveling from Jahangirpuri to Huda City Center. She is carrying a cup of ice cream with her. She is having a ice cream cup with her. The ice cream melts in 2 hours. 2 hours it is going to take. Will the ice cream melt by time she reaches Huda City Center? So beta it is going to start from Jahangirpuri. 8:42 पे start होगा, 9:57 पे finish होगा. As you know 8:42 9:42 1 hour. Then 9:52 1 hour 10 minutes. Then 1 hour 15 minutes it is total. टोटल डिस्टेंस जो है आपका टाइम जो है टोटल टाइम जो है इट विल टेक 1 hour 15 minutes. Whereas the ice cream is going to melt in 2 hours. So no, the ice cream is not going to melt because it is having 2 hours. Next is Anil, a security officer board the metro at Huda City Center. The train starts at 11:12 am but gets delayed by a few minutes on the way. So Anil reaches Jahangirpuri at 12:43 pm. It has started at 11:12 but it is reaching late. Earlier it has to reach at 12:27 but now it is reaching at 43. So 43 minus 27 will be 16 minutes. आपको कितनी लेट होगी? It will be 16 minutes. 43 में से 27 you are going to minus, so it will be 16 minutes. Okay. Now Mohan spent 2 hours 15 minutes on his homework. If he finishes his homework at 7:25. Now finish time is given and the time duration is given. You have to find out the starting time. So how you are going to start finding out the starting time here? Mohan for finishing homework it is 7:25 am. Time duration, homework time duration is 2 hours 15 minutes. So if you are going back 2 hours 15 minutes, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 25 minus 15 is 10. So it will be 5:10 pm. Time to start homework is 5:10 pm. You can subtract this time and you will get the answer. It will be 5:10 pm. As it is, question number 12 and 13 is given to you. Manish took a train from his hometown to Delhi. The journey lasted for 2 hours 45 minutes. अगेन ये 2 hours ड्यूरेशन गिवन है, 2 hours 45 minutes. द ट्रेन शुड रीच द स्टेशन एट 8:35. सो ये एंडिंग टाइम ऑफ जर्नी इज गिवन 8:35 AM. यू हैव टू सी दैट व्हेन द ट्रेन स्टार्ट्स डिपार्ट फ्रॉम द मनीष होम टाउन. सो स्टार्टिंग बिगनिंग टाइम आपको बताना है. सो अगेन यू कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट 8:35 minus 2:45 minutes and you will get the answer. The cricket team played 2 hours 55 minutes if they stopped for lunch at 1:10 PM. एट वॉट टाइम दे स्टार्टेड. इसके अंदर भी स्टार्टिंग टाइम बताना है. 1:10 से आपको बैक जाना पड़ेगा 2 hours 55 minutes एंड देन यू विल गेट दी टाइम. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, 13 आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू होमवर्क. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू इट इन द बुक ओनली. Question number 11 you can do it in the book. Question number 9 and 10 you can do it in the book. Question number 11 you have to do it in notebook. 12, 13 you have to do in notebook because it is homework. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Bye bye. Have a good day.